What's up, guys? Just checking in today. I liked some of the beats that you guys gave yesterday. Today, I want to play one of my favorites that I've heard since you guys have turned it in, and it's called The Trumpet Flare by DJ Brady. DJ Brady, that was fresh. All right, so I just want to share that with you guys. I'm also going to be giving you an assignment, but right now I'll give that to you later. Right now, I just wanted to share with you one of the what I feel is the top beats from yesterday. So congratulations to DJ Brady.